Software maintenance takes various types. This can be done in 4 types. Preventive I have written first because this is more related to the hardware stuff. But still, if you are being asked, you have to talk about all these in software maintenance as well. Software maintenance or keeping this software up to date, we need certain maintenance. First is corrective, adaptive, perfective, and preventive. Corrective, adaptive, perfective, preventive. Preventive is the first kind of maintenance because this is the fire cannot happen. Corrective is fire happens, then you do certain thing to get away from it. So corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, and preventive maintenance. These are the 4 types of the maintenance, software maintenance. Corrective maintenance is all about bug fixing. So corrective means to correct it. That means something is wrong. If something is wrong, you need to correct it. If you deliver the software to the user, now users start using it. The user observed that, oh, there are certain problems here. So he'll come back to you. He'll say, oh, I'm facing problem here. Now you will fix the bugs. Then, for example, file transfer you have given him. Now the speed you wanted, you are not getting it. You will again go back to the developer and he will say, oh, I need enhancement in the performance. So this is a kind of corrective maintenance. Well, it comes under perfective also, but this corrective maintenance is correction of certain things. What is perfective maintenance? Perfective maintenance is all about enhancements and scalability. That is, user is using. Now he wants, he say, these features are missing. I need these features. Without this, I will not be able to work. So perfective is the new features addition required by the user. Or certain functionality he's using, he's saying, no, it should be on the left, not the right. Or I need to change this functionality. So the customer demands the change in the functionality, and that when you do, that is called as a perfective kind of maintenance. Okay. So it's all about enhancement and scalability in perfective maintenance. Then comes the adaptive maintenance, also called as porting and migration. So the software product needs this porting or migration or adaptive maintenance when customer need the product to run on new platform, on a new operating system. For example, Windows 10 you have, now you have Windows 11. You upgraded your system because it was free and the Microsoft was asking for it. Now certain software are not working on Windows 11. So what do? You will go back to the developer or the company and you'll say, oh, this software is not working. So the software team or the maintenance team, they have to do the adaptive maintenance so that this software work on Windows 11 as well. So new platform, new hardware, new configuration, new operating system, this kind of maintenance is adaptive. Now you have a product. Now you gave the interface for the serial port connection. Now somebody comes and says, no, I want the parallel port also. So these need some interfacing changes. This is adaptive maintenance. And there is a preventive maintenance. See, preventive maintenance is, corrective is, fire has happened. Now you need to say firefight. But here, make the code do something so that fire cannot even happen, cannot even occur. So the way you code, the way you design, you be aware that the maintenance activity should be as least as possible. So preventive maintenance is all about software re-engineering, data restructuring, code restructuring.